and then she goes pace on a little angle or a little bit of movement. Captain Atapatu decides that she's going to pair with ball in hand. Expect a little more shape. Goes with it all the way. First maximum of this T20 series.
It's always going to be dangerous at a Atapatu bowling around the wicket into the hitting or of Kiana.
Kiana goes again. Doesn't go as far, but it's safe. Oh, this is going to be very exciting, Shakira Salman. The change works, the plan works. The left hand of Sugandika dismisses Kiana Joseph.
Yeah, and the line is interesting. The line is very interesting. Two in the deep on the leg side. Sugandika.
Well, that is what she wanted to happen. The edge, but not the result. Streaky, but four.
Interestingly.
Hayley Matthews, oh, you are too good. That was lovely.
Yeah, really good for a number of reasons. She doesn't try to go offside because it's a left arm spinner. She goes with the arm, the angle coming into her, she hits straight.
And this time, she breaches. This time it cannons into the stumps. Despair for the skipper, but success for Sri Lanka.
Wicket number two.
Yeah, good. But a good response from Ranarira. She's able to adjust, realized immediately.
Maybe no, away from the hands. A single to close. In fact, can maybe look for one more here because of that ricochet off the stumps. Vacant space, thinking two. Problems. Oh, two down, no, make it three. Sri Lanka grab another via the run-out route. And it gets even worse. A first ball duck. Oh, they are having a joyous time in the sunshine of the Spice Isle.
Yeah, brilliant. Not an easy delivery to get first up. Just look at the way this one just grips and spins. Closes the face.
Hat trick averted and avoided. We saw this in that ODI series from Sri Lanka, throwing themselves all around. Abby Fletcher, sorry, where did I get Joseph from? No. I'm renaming people, Shakira Salman. No. Abby Fletcher is who they've shown up for. Her 100th Women's T20.
Big gap there in extra cover. End of the power play. 5.2 overs this power play here today.
Yeah, bit of confusion again. Luckily, the fielder there, Kavisha, just dives over the ball. Some confusion once more with the run. We've already seen the run out of Jazara Claxton.
Big gap in extra cover. Henry finds it. The one fielder on the offside boundary at extra cover does the fielding. Nearly halfway through the side, 28 for 4, under pressure. This one's leading edge, straight to cover, taken. Once again, another West Indian batter just closing the face a bit too soon. 5 wickets down now, Taylor has to go. Hammered in the air, but straight to the fielder, Nilashika. She takes a tumbling catch there at mid-off, and the 6th wicket down. Chanel Henry, the West Indies vice-captain, goes.
Sri Lanka, she thought she had it, it was full, looked to be in the slot, just couldn't get the elevation to get it over the silver. Big edge to start, gets it in the gap, she gets off the mark, it won't get away to the boundary.
Goes high. In fact, just peels off the outside edge. I was looking up for a second. In the air again, another West Indian batter choosing the aerial option. This time she couldn't quite get it out the circle. Kavisha at extra cover takes the catch. Glasgow goes 7 down for the Windies with only 32 on board.
More excellent planning once more by Sri Lanka.
Very good job. Across the line there, dangerous from Campbell.
Bit edgy there, but gets a single, gets off the mark. Aline.
Chooses to go against the turn once again. This one's through the hands. The first blemish by the Sri Lankans today. 4 runs in the end. Chance for Campbell. You get $100 off the regular price of the new shirt. Action coming back for second. No bat in hand. Minnie had the arms pumping all the way. Plus all other Windies merch is also on sale for fans. Just another single. West Indian perspective, runs should be a single to end. Campbell will definitely be looking for 2. But the end of 10, 43 for 7.
You say the easy job, Shakira. What is so easy about commentary? Oh, don't lie.
Foreign AC.
Does she get enough? No, she does not. Add 1 more, make it 8.
Under the ball a lot more than she wanted to, Shemaine Campbell. She's got way too much elevation. The quality that is in that. Shika the silver is never dropping that. West Indies in further.
She's gone through Fletcher. Oh no. The crowd won't love it, but Sri Lanka do. It's been all problems today for the West Indies women.
Not the way she would have wanted her milestone to start after Fletcher, but it's a
2 wickets in the over for Kavisha Dilhari. It comes down to how much longer can they stay.
challenge Sri Lanka on a drier surface. Single to end the over. Good for Malki again. 48 for 9 at the end of 13.
I was looking for another S word that was like super, I was going to say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It's going to be Shakira Sunday. Oh, Shakira. Wrap it up and pack it up. That is all that it will be for the West Indies. Kavisha Dilhari has silenced them. No more. It is done. 49 all out.
Going to take a special bowling performance indeed if the West Indies are going to get anywhere. So yeah, just worked into the onside. I think the Sri Lankans have adopted to the conditions here in the West Indies a lot better than the West Indies have. Full driven through the gap. Beautiful timing here from Atupatu. She picks up her first boundary, the first boundary of the day for the Sri Lankans. To see him here enjoying the action. Swept in the gap. Bit of work for Aline to do over there at that deep mid-wicket. Bit of a cloud to the left of us here. Shape on that delivery. But the Sri Lankans have the luxury of knowing they're just chasing a small total. Straight on. Did it go down just? Maria Abbott thinks it's just missing leg stump.